The moon takes 28 days to orbit the Earth. During this time, the light from the sun hits the moon at different angles. This affects the way the moon looks in the night sky. We call these changes the phases of the moon.
What we've got here is a model of the moon and the Earth and the sun system. Okay. So what we can see is that we've got a nice bright light shining onto this ball. So the bright light is simulating the sun. That's the moon and you're the Earth. So what we're going to do is now we're going to go on a journey and simulate what it's like when the moon moves around us. So as we start to move our position, I want you to watch the surface of the moon. From this position, can you see how it's a half moon?
Yes.
This is because half of the moon is illuminated by the sun, but the half that is also illuminated, we can't see all of it. We only see this bit, so we see half lit up, half in darkness. But as we start to move through the month, or the moonth, as we start to change our position, can you now see that most of the moon's surface is illuminated?
Yes.
This is happening because we're changing our position between the sun, the Earth and the moon. Now as we continue to move, what we start to see is the phases of the moon start to change. Now we see the half moon phase again, and we keep on walking around, and can you see the beautiful crescent moon now? Can you see that? That little slither of moon, really beautiful. Then we get to this position. Now this position is a really special position for astronomers because this is called new moon. This is when we don't see any moon at all in the sky because it's more or less in the same part of the sky as the sun is. So we don't see any illumination of the moon. And then we keep on moving around and we end up right back where we started 28 days later and we see the half moon again.